Hello, today I want to show you a great acupuncture point for stomach ache. Stomach ache is a general term that describes discomfort in your upper abdomen. Common symptoms include pain, burning, or bloating in the area between your breastbone and your navel. Most of the time it is temporary, but sometimes it becomes a recurrent problem lasting for weeks, months, or longer. Stomach ache is most often caused by poor digestion, constipation, stress, anxiety, or a combination of these factors. If stomach ache is accompanied by severe pain, difficulty finding a comfortable position, fever, bloody stools, persistent nausea and vomiting, yellow-looking skin, and extreme tenderness in the area, or swelling, I recommend that you check with a healthcare professional for a diagnosis and treatment recommendations. But whatever the cause, adding the stomach ache miracle point to your treatment plan can't hurt and just might produce a miracle. The stomach ache miracle point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up on usual acupuncture charts. My name is Dr. Baritz. I'm a chiropractor, nutritionist, herbalist, and I'm certified in acupuncture physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified when more videos like this come out. And to access quick reference guides that make locating acupuncture points fun and easy, see the directions in the description below. To find the stomach ache miracle point, locate the spot that is the width of one hand above your navel. Right about here. Now find the spot that is the width of your small finger to the side of that. Right about here. And now find the spot that is the width of your small finger above that. Right about here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the stomach ache miracle point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a tei shin, it might look like this. And here's another view. Now, find the point that is the width of one small finger below this point, right over here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the other stomach ache miracle point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. Or activate it using a tei shin, like I demonstrated previously. Now, find and activate the 2 stomach ache miracle points on the other side of your belly. If you have a stomach ache, I suggest that you find and activate the stomach ache miracle points 5 times a day till you're feeling better. Then use as needed thereafter. And if you know someone who has a stomach ache, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is intended to relieve symptoms, promote digestion, and just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Baritz signing off, yours for health naturally.